Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today in the additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper on Thursday, December the 3rd, 2020. We have here Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, tectonic number 1, tectonic number 2, binary number 1 and a binary number 2. Total of 8 extra Sudokus. But first, we will solve this. Let me focus this. Yeah, we will solve the first with the 3 stars. And this will be number 1964. All right. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. So let me count. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. 14 plus 3 is 17. Plus 2 is 19. 20. 23 plus 2. 26. No. Cannot be. Let me count again. 1, 5. Plus 5, 10, 14, 17, 19, 20, 22, 25. Yes, I have counted this double. 25 printed digits. Yes. Alright, so let's get started. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column, so in the third column the only place for a 4 should be there. And then 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in those 3 boxes. There 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. Then. 4. Eight. Let me see. 9 in this column. 9 in the last column, so the column between. Only place for a 9 should be there. 9 in this row. 9 in that row, so in the middle row, the only place for a 9 should be there. 5 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see there 909 in these 3 boxes. There 909 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 9. How about the number 1 in this column? 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for a 1 should be here. Then 1, 2, 3 is missing here. The 7 is missing here, and the 5 is missing here. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those numbers are the 3, the 5, and the 7. And look, we have a 5 and a 7 here, so no 5 and a 7 in this box. The 5 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the number 3. Then yeah. 4 and 8. Yeah. 2 and 6. 6. Alright, 2 and a 6, a 3 and a 1. 5, 5. Yes. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 in those two boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. So we have a 5 in one of those two boxes in the last column. A 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. You see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Yeah. Alright. In this row, this is complicated. We have 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 8. We have a 4 and an 8 in this big square. So no 4 and 8 in those two boxes. The 4 and the 8 goes in those two boxes. I cannot fill this yet, but it's a pair 4 and 8. So the other pair here in this row for the numbers 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. 2 and a 6 are missing, cannot fill this yet. Need to wait 2 and a 6. So in this big square, now we have another pair 2 and a 6. This should be the 1 and the 3 are missing. 1 and the 3. Let me mark those. 1 and a 3. Alright. So 1 and a 3. That means in this big square, 4 missing numbers. 1 and a 3 in this column. So no 1 and a 3 in these two boxes. The 1 and a 3 goes in those two boxes. 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3. That means the other pair in this big square should be the 6 and the 7. 6 and the 7. And look, we have a 6 here in one of those two boxes in this column. So this cannot be a 6. This should be a 2. And this should be a 6. Alright. So we have a 6 in this column. A 6 in one of these two boxes in the second column. So the third column, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for a 6 should be there. Alright. And now 1, 3 and 1, 3 and the 9 is missing here. We need a 9 there. 9, 9, yeah. We need a 9 there. How about, yeah, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in those 3 boxes. There 1, no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a 1 in this column, a 1 in the last column. So the column between, only 2 places for the 1. Could be here, could be there. Same with the 6. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is a 6. We see there 6, no 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 could be here, here or there. So we have a 6 in this column, a 6 in one of these 3 boxes in that column. So the column between, only 2 places for the 6. Could be here, could be there. Up here, 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. Alright. And we need a 7 here in this column. 7 should be here in one of those 2 boxes. Yeah. Let me see. 2, 2, 2. 2, 2. 3. 3. 3 could be everywhere. 2, 3, 4, 8. Alright. Alright. 8, 8. 7, 7. 5, 5. And the 4. 4, 4. So it could be everywhere. Yeah. Alright. 222, 2222. 136, 13. Oh. Let me think. 7 should be here. Here. We have a 1 in one of those two boxes. 1 and a 3. Here also 1 in the middle row, so the row above. The only two places for the 1. Could be here, could be there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. Alright. 6, the 4, the 3, 4, 3, 7, and the 8. 7 should be here in one of those two boxes, because we have a 7 here, so the 7 could be here or there. Same like here, 7 could be here or there in this box. Yes, in this big square. 8, 7. Complicated. Oh, this is my tripod. Alright. Complicated. 4, 8, 6, 6, 1, 3, 7, 6. So those two numbers, we have 7, 6, 1, 3. The other pair, we have 3 pairs. Here a pair, there a pair, and this should be a pair. 5 and the 8 is missing. 5 and an 8. We see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this can be a 5 anymore. This should be a 5. 8 in this row, 8 in the third row. So the row between, the only place for the 8 should be there. Now I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes here. 1 box left in this big square for the number 4. Alright, so the 4 goes this side. Yeah. Now we have an 8 here, so this can't be an 8 anymore. This should be a 4. And this should be an 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next. The only two places for the 8 should be here. Oh, there we see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so on the row above. The only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next, so in the last column. The only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there, and all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 1. Alright. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there, and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column, the 7 and the 3. We have a 3 here in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 here, so this can't be 7 anymore. This should be a 7, and this should be a 6. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing, and 5, and the 6 is missing. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place for a 6 should be there. 6. Oh, I cannot fill here the 6. Need to wait. How about those 2 numbers in the middle row for the numbers 9? No, 9 we have. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7 is missing. 4 and a 7. Let me mark those. 4 and a 7. That means one box left in this big square for the number 5. Alright, so we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, only 3 places for the 5 should be here, or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. Only place for a 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 2. Alright. 2, 7, 279. 279. 3 missing numbers. 2, 7, and 9 in this big square. 279, 279, 79 in this row. So no 79 in this box. So one digit left should be the 2. 7, 9 goes in those 2 boxes. 7 and a 9. Alright. One box left in this row for the number 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this cannot be 1 anymore. This should be the 1. And this should be a 3. 2 boxes left in the first column for the numbers 2 and 7. 2 and 7. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 here, so this can't be 7 anymore. This should be the 7, and this should be a 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 9. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 numbers left, 4 and a 7. Now we have a 7 there, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this column for the number 6 and 4. 6 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 here, so this can't be 6 anymore. This should be the 6, and this should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this can't be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 3. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. 2 and 9. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Alright. Great. 3 Stars Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you very soon with the second Sudoku, a 4 Stars Sudoku. Thank you, and bye-bye for now.